What's going on, guys? It's Sean here, and I am back today to give you guys a review of the BAPE collaboration with Adidas on the Ultra Boost Green Camo. These dropped on February 2nd as part of the BAPE and Adidas football collection. Releasing alongside other football related items like cleats, jersey, and a helmet, these Ultra Boosts also dropped in a black camo colorway as well. While the official colorway for these guys is black, white, and core black, they're more commonly known as the green camo colorway. They released for a price of $250 US or 325 Canadian dollars, which is a markup from the standard Ultra Boost pricing. Here in Canada, these were a very limited release, so only select boutiques got them, like Livestock, which is where I got my pair, and they were also available online in very limited numbers on Adidas.ca. Taking a quick look at the box, so really there's nothing special here. This is a black BAPE and Adidas co-branded box, and as you can see, we have both of the logos found on the side. Inside the box, there is special BAPE branded paper, so that is a nice added touch. So jumping straight into the shoe, by now you guys all know what the Ultra Boost is about. So really the main change with this shoe is this prime knit upper. So unlike your traditional Ultra Boost models, whether it's the 1.0, 2, 3, or 4.0, for those models, those ones have a unique thread pattern. In this case, the prime knit is weaved in this one uniform way. However, make no mistake, this is very unique as it incorporates this camel print and the signature ape logo on the prime knit itself. So you can see the majority of this prime knit is done in this tan color, but then there's hits of brown and green. On the sides of the shoe, we have your signature cage, but we have these 3 stripes that's done in this glossy white finish. I personally really like the white touches as I felt like it really added some lightness and broke up all the black that was found on the shoe. The laces in this case is a flat style lace in black, and they do have white lace tips with bathing ape branding on the edges. As for the tongue, so the tongue is connected to the rest of the shoe, creating this one-piece booty-like fit. At the very top of the tongue, you'll see that on the right foot we have the BAPE logo, but this is done in this unique American flag style print. And then on the left foot we have the Adidas logo done in gold. Wrapping around the back heel, we have this TPU heel cup, so this is predominantly done in black, but on the lateral side only, we do have the Ultra Boost branding, and this is done in gold. So the interior of these shoes is constructed in this black textile, and then as I pull out the insoles, you can see we have a camo print insole, with the Adidas logo once again found on the left foot, and the BAPE logo found on the right foot. So the upper of these BAPE Ultra Boosts sits atop this full-length Boost midsole, and in this case, this is painted in black. Turning these over to the bottom, here we have your standard Ultra Boost outsole. So this is constructed out of black Continental rubber. We have this exposed boost, which is this white portion found throughout the length of the outsole, and then in the middle, we have the torsion system bar, which gives you added rigidity and support for your midfoot, and this is done in this metallic gold finish. So in terms of sizing for these guys, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I picked these up in a size 10. For comparison's sake, I'm a size 10.5 for the Ultra Boost 1.0 and 2.0, and I'm a size 10 for the Ultra Boost 3.0. For the Ultra Boost 4.0, I'm kind of in between, and for these guys, these fit me pretty good in a size 10. So overall, I would recommend sticking true to size. Comfort-wise, really nothing really needs to be said by now. You guys probably have tried on the Ultra Boost at this point, so you know that the Ultra Boost still remains one of the most comfortable shoes on the market today. Incorporating these BAPE designs had no detrimental impact to the comfort, so I can still say that these are very, very comfortable. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these BAPE Ultra Boosts look on feet. Overall, between this green camo pair and the black camo pair, I much prefer this one. I'm really digging the green and tan upper, and to me, this color scheme screams BAPE a lot more than the black pair. With that said though, the Canadian retail price on these guys was super high, and after taxes and shipping, this pair came out to be 391 Canadian dollars at retail. Do I personally think that this is worth that amount of money? Probably not, and just based off of my personal preferences, I would not pay the resale prices on these at all. However, to each their own. If you are a huge BAPE fan, which I am not, then the more power to you. But overall, just my opinion, these are good, but not great. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these BAPE Ultra Boosts. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, thank you for the continued support, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.